Recording in progress.
Hello guys, welcome back to IT Education. So in this video, we will be defining the working week. So whenever you maintain the planned working time for the US employee, you can see this option working week. Okay. So how to define these value for the working week of an employee or the work schedule? For that, first of all, we have to go to SPRO. Under SPRO, we have to go to time management. Under time management, you can see work schedules. Okay. Under work schedule, you can see planned working time. And under planned working time, you can click on define working week. Okay. So we'll be clicking on this define working week. We can also check the table. This table, we maintain the working week. That is T559A. Okay. So you can see these values are coming in this drop down value of a working week. Okay. So we can define our own value for the working week. So what I will doing, I'll be defining one working week as taking as entry as 07, and the week will start from Monday and will end at Sunday. Okay, length of a week will be 7 days. Started we can define for the week. For example, uh, let's suppose on Monday, this is the first day. Okay, Monday should be the start date of the working week. Okay, so the date on Monday is following. You can see select any date which defines your working week. Okay, so for example, we can see check take this date 4/9/2023. You can see take any value, but the date should be fall on Monday. If you want to mention some start time, you can also mention that. Otherwise, no need. Okay, or you want to exactly define in what day the week will start and from what time, you can give the time as well. I will click on save. Okay, so the working week has been created. So if I go to the planned working time, okay, this is the previous screen, so you cannot see the value which we have created. If I again go back and refresh my PA20 display HR master data, and if I go to planned working time, you will see the option as 07, Monday to Sunday. Okay, so that's how we define the working week through the SPR of Watt and through the table T559A. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day ahead.